Can you spot the virtual fish in this scene? The Underwater Toolkit enables virtual objects such as fish to be seamlessly blended into 360-degree underwater environments. The Underwater Toolkit works in multiple different underwater environments. It achieves this by adapting to the 360-degree video in real time. The toolkit provides realistic effects such as guide rays, fog, and particulates. This ensures that the objects are lit and blended seamlessly into their surroundings. The Underwater Toolkit is fully compatible with commercial game engines such as Unity and Unreal. Its user-friendly interface enables users to fine-tune the underwater lighting parameters. The Underwater Toolkit allows for endless possibilities for new and exciting mixed reality environments. Please contact us at cmic@vuw.ac.nz for more information.